Hi guys, nice to see you again. This is Joseph Kim and welcome to Joseph's Beginner Korean class. Alright, we're going to learn niun today. Okay, the last class, in the previous class, we started first Korean character, which is 기역. And today's class, in today's class, we are going to learn second Korean character, niun. This one we call niun. Alright, when you write niun, you write in the bottom line, okay? Goes down first, and goes to the left, okay? 쭉. This is niun. This is consonant. And these are the vowels, right? So when you put niun and these vowels, it will pronounce as na. So niun and put together, it will pronounce as na. Na means me. Okay. This consonant, vowel, and consonant, three of these put together, it will pronounce as nam. Nam means like other person, okay? Alright. Niun and this one's this one's real. So these three characters put together, it will pronounce as 널. 널 is Korean seesaw, traditional Korean seesaw. So we have word called 널뛰기. 널 is Korean seesaw. 뛰기 means jump. So jumping Korean seesaw. So when you go to Korean folk village in Yongin City, you will see it. 널. niun and pronounced as no. And this one's niun, so nun. Non means rice field, okay? Non. Niun and pronounced as do. Plus niun, we pronounce as dun. Dun is I. This was ya. You, yo. So when you put together nya, it doesn't mean anything. Due, nyo. These are just doesn't mean anything, okay? We have to put other character put together to make a word, to make a word, okay? Okay, so we will learn this later on, okay? So when you apply character niun, we have 4 Korean words that you can learn today. The first one, niun, mium, we pronounce as nam. Ziut, this one ziut and ziut we will learn later on. 자, 남자. Repeat after me. 남자. 남자 means man, male. Okay. 여자 means female. Okay. 남자, male. 여자, female. Okay. niun, 눈. mium, this one's mium. And real, pronounced as 물. 물 means water. 눈 is eye. 물 is water. So, 눈 and 물 together, what does that mean? Water that comes down from the eye. So, 눈물. 눈물 means tear. Okay? 눈, 사람. 사람 means person. 눈 is snow. 눈, as I said before, 눈 means eye, but 눈 also means snow. Okay? We have 비 and 눈. 비 is rain. 눈 is snow. So, 눈 사람 means snowman. 눈 is snow. 사람 means man. So, 눈 사람, snowman. Too easy, right? niun, ing, 농. 비읍 and 부, 농부. 농부. Follow with me. 농부. 농부. So 농부 means farmer. Farmer. 농부. Farmer. So works that way. We have millions of Korean words that start with niun, but these are just basic one. But when you just keep practicing it, keep practicing it, you will conquer the Korean language very soon. Okay, I'm trusting in you. Okay, thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.